Hello, welcome to Keystone Live. Here today we'll be demonstrating the different types of drill bits you can use on porcelain tiles. Thank you.
So what we're going to do here is we have two tungsten carbide drill bits and this one with a rotary impactor. And this one is a battery drill without any percussion. We will actually put a little bit of percussion on, which is typical. There we go. And this one here is a vacuum braze drill, and it goes with a grinder, and that actually achieves the right speed to go through effectively. And now we're going to demonstrate that in a 10mm porcelain tile, which is a pressed one, and then we're going to go into a 6mm, and we're going to compare the times, and we're going to compare the accuracy of the hole and what it does to the tile. Thank you. How have we done? Got about a quarter of the way through.
To see the results, hardly scratch the surface of the porcelain.
Before you start off a little bit on the angle to mark the hole, and till you get right, you're away. That was 20 seconds. Beautiful clean hole all the way through. Oh. Okay. I'm afraid the tile is broken.